That's the toy I will do today. I will play with this. I'm gonna change this side for the truck. I will start doing this bed for the Silverado, and I don't know if you guys can see, it's a big dental here. Then I took it off for the truck, but I can do more easy. It's gonna be more easy for me. And I will start take the welder off. Like, I don't know if you guys can see the points. I will mark the all points. I did the mark for it can be more easy for me. And that's the new skin. I'm gonna replace the other one. And I'm gonna fix the door. It's a very big dental here. Before I start, first I do the marks and I make the points, the marks and where the place go the welder, where I can take the welder off. After I take the quarter panel out, that looks like it's a little bit rust, but I will clean a little bit here, put the undercoat where I can protect for this rust. And after I'm gonna put the new skin. I sand everything. When I'm gonna put when I'm gonna welder, I gonna like I need to make clean so I can weld the parts I'm gonna weld. I sand. You guys can see. When the part have a rust before I put the undercoat, this don't make the rust stop, but they make like can help the rust don't come fast and protect more, but they doesn't stop the rust come back. You know, that's just undercoat. But I did put it there. I like to put it there for can protect more for the rust, everything, where they don't come too fast. That's the part for the back when go the light. And this is the new piece I already prepared. So I prep it so I can put in the bed. I already sand everything. The parts I'm gonna weld. I'm gonna start today again, and I try finish today. That's the new piece. The problem is because this part here, the light's not measuring the old one, but they change. That's the new one, and I will try measure again. I put the undercoat here. I don't know if you guys remember. There's a lot of rust here. I put the undercoat just for cover, for protection, but the undercoat doesn't stop the rust. This don't work like that. For stop the rust, that's so difficult because we need to use the rust treatment. But for here, I just put the undercoat for just protect more, but doesn't stop the rust. And now I'm gonna put everything, the new piece, and try again for see if it's measure everything, for make sure that's the exactly piece for I can weld and make everything right for before I paint. That's the new piece. They come right again now because the light's not measured. And now this new piece, the light's gonna measure because it's fit. The other one is different. And I put the undercoat here for protect the rust. They doesn't stop the rust, but just for protection. They help a lot. and now I'm gonna put everything, make a marks again, and after I can weld. And that's it. Now the coral panel in the place. I put everything to hold in the place where I can weld in the exact place. I clean, I sand everything so you guys can see. I will start with the silicone brown, the welder. I have the silicone brown and the aluminum. But that's the metal I'm gonna do with the silicone brown. And after I will do with the welder factory. That's help a lot for do exactly the weld for the factory and make everything very nice. You guys need gloves. I have this where I can put in my arms for don't burn myself, and my mask. That's what you guys need. That's it, guys. That's the welder factory. And what I did here, I don't know if you guys can see, that's 10 times better. Looks like the original one. Everything measured. I put the lights, the gate where you can see. I did welded the silicone brown, few points, and I started doing with this one, the welder factory. E que eu acho que vocês estão acompanhando o vídeo aí que eu tô fazendo. Essa solda aqui que eu tava mostrando é solda de fábrica. Eu faço com essa máquina aqui, uma máquina especial. Acho que o valor dela com desconto aqui para a companhia foi 27 mil dólares. E tem a de silicone brown também que eu uso, que é essa aqui, que é de silicone, e tem de alumínio também. Aqui um pouquinho de minhas ferramentas jogadas aqui, máscarazinha que eu gosto mesmo de usar aí. E eu tô trabalhando também nesse Jaguar aqui que sofreu um acidente na frente, quebrou os dois fenders e eu tô usando, já são os dois novos. Eu vou ter que tirar essa frente toda aí, radiador, o AC, o ar-condicionado, né? E essa barra aí que protege, vou ter que tirar tudo, sacar essa frente. Boa parte das peças dele são essas daqui que chegaram pra mim. O fender partiu, os dois lados partiram. Não sei se vocês podem ver, partiram no meio, rasgou. E aqui é minha caixa. Olha o Jaguar que eu tô trabalhando. E aqui é minha caixa de ferramenta, as ferramentinhas. Aqui a gente tem que comprar praticamente tudo para poder trabalhar. As ferramentas é tudo nosso, a gente que compra. Então tem algumas ferramentas especiais aqui. Essa aqui é para soldar para-choque plástico. Eu tenho ferramenta de piriar também, que eles falam martelinho de ouro, mas eu não faço martelinho de ouro não, eu uso mais para ajudar no meu serviço. Algumas ferramentas aí, pessoal, para vocês que gostam aí. Essa é uma máquina de lixar para lixar reto, comprida, e os blocos aqui que eu uso. Algumas ferramentas aqui. Parte da Blue Point, parte do Snapa, Harbor Freight. As ferramentas de ar aqui que eu uso. Tudo bagunçado, né, pessoal? Mas é isso aí, é o pouquinho que eu tenho aí. Um pouco espalhado aí, jogado, bagunçado. Esse é o Jaguar que eu tô trabalhando aqui. Quebrou os faróis. Os faróis tá aqui. Quebrou só um pedaço, mas como é seguro, vai pôr novos. E é isso aí, pessoal. Eu espero que vocês gostem aí dos vídeos. E quem mexe com isso, espero poder ajudar. E quem tiver uma ideia, uma dica, ele também pode me passar se quiser. E sou todo ouvidos Então é isso aí, até mais. Good morning guys, I already welded, but I want to show you guys after I sand. I can see the gap. You need to try don't leave the gaps. That's how I want to weld it again. I don't know if you guys can see, so I have a little gap here. You need to make sure like this, no gaps, nothing when you weld. That's the silicone brown. This is good, but this have a little big gap here, Then I'm gonna cover everything, fill it everything I don't leave gap. That's not supposed to have a gap. And this the welder factory. That's like the original one. Come in the factory. That's the silicone brown I did here. Few points. I did weld here too. This is a welder factory. This in the edge too, the welder factory. This is the silicone brown. It's a little gap here. I'm gonna fill it up. This is good. This is good. Little big gap here. I'm gonna cover, and then the rest is the welder factory. And I hope this gonna be ready today. That's supposed to be ready yesterday, but I stopped a lot for doing another jobs. Figured out another jobs, but today this is gonna be, if I don't stop, today it's gonna be all set. That's it. Yes guys, I did fill up everything. If you guys can see, it's no holes, no gaps. Everything's nice now. Now I'm gonna start prepare for paint, for doing primer. And after I'm gonna paint. I start prepare for prime, and after prime it's gonna prepare for paint. That's the exactly looks like for the factory. I hope everything's come good. The bed is ready for paint. I already sealed them. The color looks like different because I already sealed it. The sealer works like for cover the wall marks, everything. They help a lot. I don't know if you guys remember before. You guys can see the metal, everything. I wear a sealer. I don't know if you guys can see. The sealer help for cover the wall marks, scratch, and help the color stick better. Help stick the color better. And now I'm gonna put the first coat for the color, and we'll see what's gonna look like. It's gonna be good, and I hope we're gonna be fine, everything. That's the other part for the truck, the back door. I already sealed it too, for cover the all marks, scratch, everything. And now I start put color. I'm gonna start put color, the first coat. I just gonna let it dry a little bit more, so I can put the first coat. Pois é, pessoal, comecei a preparar a caminhonete para pintar aí, a Silverado. E eu coloquei uma tinta base coat que chama Sealer. Ela é um prime que protege a pintura e faz pregar melhor, e ajuda a tampar alguns scratches, arranhões, essas coisas assim, fazendo com que a pintura venha a ficar mais homogênea e bem mais bonita. E agora eu vou mostrar a parte de trás da caminhonete. Tá aí a parte de trás. Também joguei sealer nela. E agora eu vou começar a jogar a tinta, a primeira mão. E vamos ver como é que fica. A tampa do tanque tá aí. Vou pintar também. I already finished paint. I put 3 coats here, 2 heavy ones for cove everything, the prime everything, and the third one I do like a fog, like a blend, just make everything match. And I check with the light for I can see if I can see something wrong. I can fix now, because after I put clear, that's too hard to fix. Then I gonna make sure now is everything's good, for I can put clear. If everything's good, I can put clear, but if it's not, I need to fix now, because after I put clear, man, it's very hard. But for me, everything's good. I don't see nothing wrong. Everything's match, and thank you God, everything's match, man. It's very hard to paint this color. The metallic is very hard to match, but for me, everything's fine. I'm gonna check the truck now, the door. Yeah, the door looks good too. I am checking here now. Everything is good, because if I need to fix something, I need to fix now. But looks like great. Looks like everything match. The color, everything is good. I can check with the light. I don't see nothing wrong. Then now is ready for put clear. Let's go. That's it, guys. I already clear. I put the clear coat, and I hope looks like the same color. Everything's match. Everything's all set now. Just I think I'm gonna buff a little bit for the shines come more nice, and after I buff, I'm gonna put the parts together. The bed is all set too. Everything's all set. I think I'm gonna buff a little bit too, and put in the truck. I'm gonna put in the truck, and after I'm gonna buff this one. That looks nice, but I think when I buff, it looks better. But everything's nice now. Terminei aí, pessoal, e eu não sei se vocês podem ver, já tá com verniz. Terminei de pôr o verniz e pus pra... Aqui fala cook bacon, tipo cozinhar, assar. Aí terminou de assar, um calor aproximadamente 150 Fahrenheit, que chega, capaz que chega uns 50 Celsius, 60 Celsius. E assa bem a peça, fazendo com que o verniz seque mais rápido. E agora eu vou pôr na caminhonete, vou polir. Na realidade nem precisa polir, mas para ficar o brilho ficar melhor e ficar bem mais bonito, a gente vai polir para ficar bem mais bonito. E é isso aí.